Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Amen. We are learning feels fun, simple and totally stress free. Today we are diving into something creative, colorful, and honestly super cool types of poetry in English literature. Yeah, I know poetry sometimes feels old school, but trust me, once you understand its kinds, it becomes exciting, expressive, and full of meaning. So, buckle up, grab your notebook, and let's explore the beautiful world of poems from rhyme to rhythm, from stories to emotions. Let's jump right in. Poetry is one of the oldest and most beautiful forms of writing. It uses rhythm, sound, and imagination to express feelings, ideas, and stories. In English literature, there are many types of poetry, and each one has its own style, mood, and purpose. Understanding these types helps you read better, write better, and enjoy the magic of words more deeply. Let's break down the most popular types of poetry in simple English. 1. Narrative poetry. Narrative poetry tells a story just like a short story or a novel, but in poem form. It includes characters, a setting, a plot, and sometimes dialogue. The poem follows a sequence of events. A famous example is the Rime of the Ancient Mariner by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Narrative poems can be long or short, but they always focus on storytelling. They often use descriptive language to create pictures in your mind. If you enjoy stories with adventure, drama, and emotions, narrative poetry is perfect for you. 2. Lyric poetry. Lyric poetry is short, emotional, and personal. It expresses feelings rather than telling a story. Think of it like a snapshot of someone's heart at a specific moment. These poems often talk about love, sadness, joy, nature, or deep thoughts. The style is usually musical and the words flow smoothly. Some of the greatest poets like William Wordsworth and Emily Dickinson wrote beautiful lyric poems. If you like simple but meaningful poems, lyric poetry is your vibe. 3. Sonnet. A sonnet is one of the most famous types of poems. It has 14 lines, a strict rhyme schema, and a steady rhythm. There are two popular types of sonnets: Shakespearean English sonnet, Petrarch Italian sonnet. Shakespearean sonnets use a rhyme pattern of EB, EB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. Most of Shakespeare's love poems are sonnets and they talk about time, beauty, love, and life. Sonnets are formal, balanced, and elegant. They take strong feelings and shape them into a structured form. 4. Haiku. Haiku is a Japanese style of poetry that has become very popular in English. It has three lines with a syllable pattern: 5 syllables, 7 syllables, 5 syllables. Haiku often describes nature like season, weather, or landscapes. It's short but powerful because it captures a single moment. A haiku is like a tiny photograph made of words. Writers use simple language and focus on one clear image. 5. Free verse. Free verse is modern, flexible, and super popular today. It doesn't follow any fixed rhyme or rhythm. The poet writes freely, using natural speech patterns. Some free verse poems look like paragraphs, some look like lines scattered across the page. It's expressive and creative. Poets like Walt Whitman and T.S. Eliot are famous for using free verse. If you like poetry without rules, you will love this type. 6. Blank verse. Blank verse means poetry written in unramped iambic pentameter. I know that sounds complicated, but let me keep it simple. It has no rhyme, but it has a steady, heartbeat-like rhythm. Most of Shakespeare's plays are written in blank verse. It sounds natural but still poetic. Many serious or dramatic poems use this style. It's formal and strong, and it flows beautifully when spoken aloud. 7. Ballad. Ballads are poems that were originally meant to be sung. They usually tell emotional stories, often about love, tragedy, or adventure. They use simple language and strong rhythm. Many Old English songs and folk stories are ballads. Ballad often has a chorus, a repeating line, which gives it a musical feel. If you like storytelling with rhythm, you will enjoy ballads. 8. Epic poetry. Epic poems are long, grand, and heroic. They tell stories of brave warriors, battles, gods, and legends. Two famous examples are Beowulf and the Iliad. Epics often show the culture, values, and history of ancient societies. They are full of adventure, courage, and dramatic events. These poems take time to read, but they give you a powerful experience. 9. Ode. An ode is a poem written to praise or celebrate something. It can be written about a poem, a thing, or even an idea. For example, an ode to nature, an ode to friendship, an ode to music. Odes are emotional and respectful. They use rich vocabulary and beautiful expressions. John Keats is one of the most famous ode writers. 10. Elegy. An elegy is a sad poem written for someone has died. It expresses grief, loss, and reflection. However, elegies often end with hope or acceptance. They help the writer and the reader understand their feelings. Thomas Green's elegy written in Country Churchyard is a classic example. Elegies are calm, thoughtful, and emotional. 11. Limerick. Limerick is a funny, silly, and playful poem. It has 5 lines and a special rhythm pattern. Rhyme schema is AA, BB, AA. Limericks often joke about people, places, or odd situations. They are light-hearted and easy to remember. If you enjoy Homer, limericks are for you. 12. Acrostic poetry. In acrostic poems, the first letter of each line spells a word. For example, a poem about rain might have each line starting with the R, A, I, and N. It is simple, creative, and fun, especially for beginners and kids. Acrostics help build vocabulary and imagination. 13. Pastoral poetry. Pastoral poems focus on nature, countryside life, and peaceful rural settings. They often talk about shepherds, fields, rivers, and simple living. The tone is calm and relaxing. These poems show the beauty of nature and express love for the natural world. Alright, friends, that's enough. Today we explored the coolest and most creative types of poetry in English literature, from sonnets to free verse, from haiku to ballads. Every type has its own vibe and beauty. If this video helped you understand poetry better, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to English with Amen for more easy and fun English lessons. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you in the next video.